Good morning, everybody. Here to rinse out another tie-dye. We got our multicolor pastel rainbow spiral. Very beautiful pastel rainbow spiral. Now I also want to try inverted rainbow, like do it the other way, you know what I mean? With the blue in the middle, I think that, or purple in the middle, I think that'd be cool too. Got some great ideas, people. See, our catch is filtering well down there. Run into our filter. To the inside?
I haven't kept one for myself in a while.
Me neither.
We ought to make some for ourselves. Just because we haven't in a long time. Everything we've made for months, we've sold. Yeah.
Let's see what we got. Look at that. Wow, nice. I like that, don't you?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Let's see the back.
I'm glad it didn't turn into
Cool.
pink brown in the middle where all the colors
I know.
mix.
I like how that turned out. That's really good. Awesome.
We have a few little purple freckles here and there, but
Hey, that'll be all right.
it'll be okay. That's what makes him unique
Yep.
and one of a kind.
And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow, that looks really good. This is her pastel rainbow spiral, extra large. And it came out really good. Look at how vibrant that lavender is. Bubblegum, all those different colors. Yeah, it looks really, really good. Especially that lime pop on there. But yeah, Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you would like to see us do next. Alrighty, folks. Y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.